Spoiled by Cocoa presents chocolate filled donuts. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Let's begin with the recipe. First, to activate yeast, add 182 ml warm milk in a bowl. Here I am directly adding it in my mixer bowl. Add 56 gram fine sugar and mix. This sugar is food for a yeast to bloom. Your milk should be warm, that is, if you put your finger in, you won't feel any discomfort. Then add 1 teaspoon yeast and mix. Cover this and set aside for 10 minutes to activate yeast. After 10 minutes, see our yeast has bloomed so well. To this, add 282 gram all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt. I'll gently fold in flour with a spatula before kneading it with the machine. You can also knead with your hand. It will take about 10 minutes, but I am kneading it with machine to make it easier for me. If your yeast hasn't bloomed like shown, that is, it is not frothy, then do not use it. Instead, make a new one, since it will affect your donuts and they will not become this nice and soft and fluffy. Now I will add 84 gram of unsalted butter in the dough, but not all at once. I'll slowly incorporate it in the dough and knead it for 5 more minutes. The dough will stick to the kneader, but after a few minutes, it will come together again to form a smooth dough. Now I'll transfer it to a bowl, but before that, add a little oil and grease it well. Transfer the dough in it, tuck it properly and place inside the bowl. Then drizzle little oil on the top, cover it with a cling film and let it proof for 1 hour or till it double in size. The proofing time may vary depending on the whether it is hot or cold, so keep an eye on your dough and do not overproof it, as this will give your donuts yeast-like taste. After 1 hour, see our dough is double in size. I'll transfer it to my working station and degas it by poking with my finger. Then shape it into a log. This will make it easier to cut equal sized donuts. Once done, cut the dough into equal size. This recipe gave me 8 donuts. Shape the dough into donuts by tucking in the edges and sealing them by pinching the edges. Then roll the dough ball to get a smooth surface on top and place it over a baking paper that I have cut slightly larger than the donuts for second proof. Likewise, shape rest of the donut and place them over cut baking paper. This will make it easier for you to fry them without worrying about ruining their shape. Proof them for second time for about 30 to 45 minutes. Cover it with a kitchen towel or cling film before keeping them for proofing. In the meanwhile, let us make chocolate filling that we are going to fill into our donuts. Take 500 gram milk in a pan and add 80 gram caster sugar, 30 gram corn flour, and mix with a spatula or a hand whisk to avoid forming any lumps. Cook on a low flame while continuously stirring it to avoid forming lumps. It will take about 8 minutes for it to get ready. It should thicken up a little. Also, it should coat the spatula once it is ready. Add 40 gram butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and mix it in. Then add 100 gram chopped dark chocolate and mix it in. The chocolate will melt from the creme heat. Strain it into a clean bowl and refrigerate it till use. our creme patisserie is ready. Look at these, our donuts have proofed so well. Now let's fry them. For that, heat some oil in a pan on low flame. For checking the temperature of the oil, you can drop small ball of the dough. If it rises and small bubbles start forming around it, your oil is ready. Place your donut in the oil along with parchment paper. This ensures their shape does not get deformed. After a few minutes, remove the parchment paper and flip the donuts to fry it from top surface. Fry it till the donut have nice golden color. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to fry them. Fry all the donuts this way. Remove from the oil once fried and transfer them to a paper napkin to absorb any excess oil. Now roll them in caster sugar properly from all sides. Please give my video a thumbs up. This will help me promote the video further on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now for the filling, first using a knife, poke hole along the side. Then fill it with creme patisserie, which I have filled in a piping bag. This makes it easier to fill into our donuts. Our chocolate creme filled donuts are ready. Let me show you one. Just look at these pillowy soft donuts filled to the brim with chocolate filling. Do try the recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Cocoa.